What do your moles say about you? Some say that the moles on our bodies are in reality secret imprints from our previous lives, stamps of past karmic. So, if you have ever wondered what that mole on your neck, back or thigh means, watch on. Hidden meanings of body moles. The Chinese believe moles can be lucky or unlucky depending on where they are located, what color they are, and how large they appear. A mole can be a tiny black speck on the feet signifying opportunities for travel, or it can be a dark red dot on the hand, often indicating a particular skill or luck associated with one's hands. Good luck moles. Moles in certain locations are said to signify great things in life, ranging from wealth and prosperity to good health and abundant resources. Based on your mole's coordinates, you may be in for some very good luck. For example, a mole directly beneath the eyebrows is said to signify intelligence and creativity. Bad luck moles. For every mole that may be indicative of positive experiences in life, there is a poorly placed mole suggestive of negativity. Moles in the center of the nose are bad signs. Individuals may have a tendency to overspend, indulge in gambling, and flirt voraciously. Mole on the head. The moles on the top crown of the head are visible only if the head is shaven. If a mole is found on the right side of the head, the person will excel in politics. If the mole is in red or green color, then he will become minister. Mole on the forehead. If the forehead is white and there is a mole on the right side of the forehead, then it donates wealth, fame, and status. The native becomes wealthy and receives good name and fame in the society. Mole on the temple. If the mole is on the right side of the temple, it is thought to be a mark of outstanding ability and mental power which will help the person to prosper. If it is on the left side, the mole is said to foretell that the person will have little to no clue about the value of money. Mole on the eyebrows. If there is a mole in the middle of the eyebrows, it donates leadership qualities, wealth, name, and fame. Such a native likes luxuries and women. If the mole is found on the right eyebrow, there will be early marriage with a good lady. Mole on the eyelids. A mole on the right eyelid brings wealth. The native becomes rich slowly. He will have inner pride and feels that he is great. Expenditure will be more. He will spend money for God, either by constructing temples or for performing pujas. Mole on the eyes. A mole in the right eye gives easy money. Even if the person doesn't work, he will become rich suddenly out of sheer luck. A mole in the left eye represents an arrogant person who would be after ladies. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.